Welcome to Woodcut Tech. Today, we're going to explore a powerful wood processing machine that enhances efficiency and precision in woodworking. Let's dive in and see how it works and whether it's worth the investment. These straight split boards are milled from Western red cedar and Alaskan yellow cedar, both renowned for their durability and resistance to decay. While Western red cedar offers superior uniformity when splitting, Alaskan yellow cedar provides increased density and longevity. Thanks to these outstanding properties, both species are well suited for roofing and exterior applications in various environments. The GKT60 Tartak Ubartnikah saw is equipped with multiple sharp blades, allowing it to cut multiple evenly sized planks in a single pass. When in operation, the powerful rotating blades slice through the wood with high precision, minimizing material waste. Thanks to its multi-blade design, the machine optimizes productivity, reducing cutting time while ensuring top-quality output. The smooth, rhythmic sound of the saw, combined with an accurate guiding system, produces straight, clean planks suitable for various construction and woodworking applications. The Spaltaxed 8 Special Posh is the ultimate assistant for those who need to process wood quickly and efficiently. With a powerful 8-ton splitting force, it effortlessly splits even the toughest logs, saving both time and effort. Its versatile cost-tier blade system allows for adjustable splitting widths, making it easy to produce anything from small firewood pieces to larger logs as needed. The sturdy vertical design ensures safe operation, while the powerful motor makes the splitting process smooth and effortless. Whether for home use or small-scale firewood production, the Spaltaxed 8 Special Posh is the perfect choice to optimize your wood splitting tasks. In the vast forest, the lumberjack firmly grips his chainsaw, each powerful cut echoing through the silent wilderness. Before him stands a massive tree, towering as if reaching for the sky. As he stands beneath its enormous trunk, he appears tiny, a mere speck against the majestic backdrop of nature. Yet, with skill and strength, he steadily takes on the giant of the forest. At the log yard, the Cat 558 with the 600 South Star head continues to operate with power and precision. Massive, freshly cut logs are neatly stacked in uniform piles, ready for transport. The machine's long arm carefully lifts and moves each log, ensuring efficiency in the loading process. The roar of the engine blends with the fresh scent of wood, creating a scene of rhythmic and productive labor. Under the skilled hands of the operator, the Cat 58 showcases its superior strength, optimizing work at the log yard. What do you think about this powerful machine? Leave a comment below and share your thoughts. The LKT skidder roars to life, effortlessly pulling 3 massive poplar logs as if they were weightless. Watching this scene, it's hard to believe that in the past, loggers had to rely on horses and sheer manpower to move heavy timber. Manufactured in Slovakia, this skidder has served the forestry industry for decades, becoming a symbol of power and outstanding performance. It is not just a machine, but a testament to continuous innovation in logging technology. The forestry tractor roars with power, struggling through rough terrain as its wheels grip tightly onto the muddy ground. On the trailer, massive logs are stacked high, swaying with every jolt from the uneven path. The engine growls, and the suspension works at full capacity to maintain balance, allowing the machine to push forward steadily over steep slopes and deep ruts. Under the skilled hands of the operator, this rugged machine remains unwavering, conquering the harsh landscape with relentless determination. The steel MS-880 with a 150cm bar roars to life, ready to take on the massive oak log. Its razor-sharp chain bites deep into the tough wood, creating smooth, powerful cuts. Sawdust flies through the air, blending with the thunderous roar of the high-performance engine. Under the firm control of the operator, thick sections of wood gradually split apart with precision. With its unmatched power, the MS-880 proves to be the ultimate choice for the toughest cutting tasks. The Bandit Model 1990 chipper is equipped with a flexible 360-degree rotating hook, allowing for quick and efficient wood processing. With the ability to chip logs up to 30 inches in diameter and a high power capacity, this machine ensures exceptional productivity. Its advanced system produces uniform wood chips, optimizing biomass processing and forestry operations. The combination of powerful performance and flexible design makes the Bandit 1990 a top choice for heavy-duty tasks. This is the ideal solution for the professional wood processing industry. Premium wood is not just about raw materials. It is the result of precision and craftsmanship. Expert sawyers ensure each cut meets the highest quality standards with absolute accuracy. Through rigorous grading, only the finest wood is selected to create durable, elegant hardwood flooring. This meticulous process sets it apart, delivering exceptional value. A strong, refined foundation that defines sophistication in every space. massive log was so heavy that it took 3 men a great deal of effort to move it. But once the press was engaged, it was easy. With a resounding crack, the log split cleanly in two. What had seemed an impossible task was accomplished in an instant, demonstrating incredible power and precision.
Essa ficou bem, pô.
Eu tô pagando pra ele. Ele tem o de rosto, sabe?
The Ponce Ergo 8-Ute C44H7 moves effortlessly across rough terrain, with its 8 sturdy wheels ensuring smooth navigation through dense forests. The C44 crane extends powerfully, gripping the tree trunk firmly before swiftly guiding it into the H7 cutting head. With incredible speed, the cutting head processes large logs, stripping the bark and slicing them into precise sections. The entire operation runs seamlessly, maximizing productivity and ensuring the highest efficiency in forestry work. This is the perfect combination of power, durability, and cutting-edge technology. The mobile wood splitter mounted on a MAN TGS truck optimizes the firewood production process by performing sawing, splitting, and loading in a single continuous operation. Thanks to its flexible design, the machine can be transported to various locations, reducing transportation time and increasing work efficiency. Its automated system processes wood quickly, saving labor costs and ensuring uniform firewood sizes. This is an ideal solution for the forestry and biomass fuel industries, delivering high efficiency and cost-effective operation. The Morbark 2400 XL Hurricane Drum Chipper effortlessly devours logs up to 20 inches, turning them into wood chips in seconds. Fast, clean, and cost-effective. No need for complicated transport or processing. This is the most efficient way to clear a site. For massive logs, the German-made Cerami 110 is the ultimate choice. It easily handles logs over 39 inches, delivering precision, flexibility, and power, making on-site milling seamless and highly efficient. What do you think about this powerful machine? Leave a comment below and share your thoughts. Say goodbye to frozen logs and bone-chilling cold. The BTDS Pro Compact and Pro Plus are powerful log splitters that easily mount on excavators, loaders, or tractors, making firewood production faster than ever. With just one operator, you can process massive amounts of firewood, no matter how harsh the weather. This is your ultimate weapon to conquer winter. Get your BTD splitter now and make the cold season a breeze. The HMG WSK7F Whipkreissäge mit Förderband is a tilting circular saw combined with a conveyor belt, designed for fast and efficient wood cutting. When in operation, its sharp blade effortlessly handles large logs, while the conveyor belt automatically transports the cut wood out, reducing manual labor. With a sturdy design and powerful motor, the machine operates reliably even under continuous use. This is an ideal tool for the forestry and firewood production industry, significantly boosting productivity. Get ready for an ultimate display of power. This massive knuckle boom loader is stacking 64,000 pounds of material in just 4 minutes, an absolutely mind-blowing speed. With explosive force, it handles 266 pounds per second, making heavy lifting feel effortless. This is the ultimate weapon for any job site that needs to move massive loads quickly and efficiently. Prepare to be amazed by the true power of modern technology.
Seconds while he was swapping location, or while I was swapping location.
Felling a large tree is no easy task. The lumberjack must carefully calculate the direction of the fall to ensure safety while using a chainsaw with high precision. Strong winds, steep terrain, or a decayed trunk can create unexpected dangers. Besides strength and technique, experience is crucial for handling difficult situations. This job requires courage, patience, and masterful skills. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Woodcut Tech for more exciting content on woodworking machines and technology. See you in the next video.